Hi guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll be talking about threading today. The thread is the most basic concept which we have talked about. Let's go in detail for this particular thing. Hopefully people know the connection between process and program. I'll still go from the scratch. First, understand what do you mean by a thread or what is threading is about. We have a program which we want to execute. When this program is in executable state, it is known as the process. Further, each process would require n tasks when it is in exe. So now let's understand where threading comes into picture. We have one program which would be divided in n processes, which will be further divided in n task, and from that n task, one task would be done by one thread. So the concept goes in terms of understanding is program is divided in processes, and further process is divided in threads. So this is where thread comes into picture. Now thread has several advantages compared to the conventional program, giving a better speed and other things. Let's look at that first. Okay, here's the difference. Process is heavy in terms of weight because of the PCB front, whereas it is light because thread hardly consists some data. We'll also see what kind of data thread consists. We'll understand that it consists hardly some data compared to the process. Then process switching takes more time, so needs interaction with operating system, and it is time consuming, whereas threading does not require to interact with OS and it is not time consuming. It is very fast. You can understand that if somebody has a luggage of 15 kg, it would take its own time for moving from one place to another fella who hardly has nothing, maybe a purse which will hardly weigh 200 grams, he can directly jump. So that's basically a difference between the process and thread. So again, in multiprocessing environment, each process execute at the same code but its own memory and own resource. Now in this case we share, so process has its own memory and own resources, whereas the thread will share this thing, hence it is also known as the light-weighted concept. Going further, if one process is black, then no other process execute until the first process is unblacked. That means it is a sequential processing. Nothing similar to this. In threading, multiple threads can be blocked, multiple threads can continue. That is possible. One thread is blocked, waiting, second thread at the same can run. So giving much better and a faster speed. In multiprocessor, without using thread, use more resources. With using thread, we use fewer resources. So resource wise, it is more lighter. The sixth one, in multiprocessor, each process operates independent of other, whereas one thread can read write other threads data. That means sharing is again possible. So that's the difference between the process and the thread. In all, we can say process is heavier, slower, at the same time takes more resources. It is lighter, faster and more concurrent, and take less resources. So let's try to understand what thread has. So this is a basic structure. A particular process or a single thread will have its own code, own data, own files, own register, own counter, own stack. So you can imagine if they are talking about n processes put together, we are practically going to have such n blocks to be in picture. Whereas on the thread, if you carefully see, we have multi-threading, that the code which they have can also be shared, but they are using same file, same data. Only thing what they have on their own is the small amount of data, that is register, counter and a stack. So making this thing obviously creates a more advantages that a thread can share data and files. Mind you, the maximum size in either cases would be thanks to the data and the files. Now in terms of thread, these things are not gonna be much replicated. There will be only one thread, or rather there will be multiple thread with only single data in a file, creating one bigger advantage, that they are lighter, faster, and they can share the resources.